When you implement single piece flow, Kanbans, milk runs, and water spiders, then you're going to improve the product velocity through your factory. Think of velocity like a baseball pitch. When you implement lean, your product is going to move faster from the beginning of your process at the receiving docks through the entire factory and then out the door to your customer. The speed of which your product moves through your factory is called velocity. When you improve velocity, you'll see improvements to these KPIs. First, you'll improve the customer experience. You'll have better on-time delivery, you'll reduce lead times, and you'll improve your customer response times. Also, when you improve velocity in your factory, you'll see a reduction in inventory. Your inventory turns will improve, your inventory dollars will decrease, and you'll see a dramatic reduction in your non-value adding time. Lean manufacturing and Six Sigma offer a wide variety of continuous improvement tools, but not every tool can be applied in every situation. It takes knowledge of all the continuous improvement tools and really good process knowledge too to really effectively select and implement the correct tool and put it to the right application. It's really no different than having a toolbox in your garage at home. If you don't have the right tools for the job, then your do-it-yourself project at home, it might not turn out so well. But if you apply the right tool to the right project, then the results you know are going to be amazing. So strive to learn all the manufacturing continuous improvement tools and be ready to achieve great results.
If you would like a list of all of the lean tools along with their proper application, please reach out to Tools for the Trenches.
My name is Joe Joyce and I'm with Tools for the Trenches. If you work in manufacturing, then visit us, follow us, and subscribe to thrive.